Whoa. I don't think I've ever seen my hair this wavy before. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This video has been on my list to film for months, and I'm testing out the bold method for frizz-free bouncy waves. So I have naturally wavy hair, I would say 2B curls. I discovered them maybe a couple of years ago. If you saw my original videos, I don't really wear my hair like that very often because I find it to be very difficult. When I saw this video from Sophie Marie, I was like, oh my gosh, her waves are absolutely beautiful and she's a stunning person, and her routine seemed pretty simple that I could do. So today we are going to test that out and hope for the best. Since this is my first time doing it, there are going to be some hiccups. I'm kind of worried because I am flipping my head for a longer period of time, and I am someone that gets headaches quite easily. That's my biggest worry. But just to know that I could get frizz-free bouncy waves specifically for people that have wavy hair, that really intrigued me. 2 reasons why I don't wear my hair naturally as much as I would like to. 1, it's the frizz. 2, it's how to make it look good second and third day. And just knowing that I could just dip my head in a bowl, that makes it so much easier than having to take a shower every single day, because I'm someone that doesn't do that. I only shower maybe twice a week, especially in fall and winter. I'm not sweating. I don't even really sweat at all, but you catch my drift. I don't shower very often. So we have the bowl. We also have some products. We have a foam. We have a leave-in conditioning spray. I also have a heat protecting spray because we will be using a diffuser. And I'm trying to think, did she use a gel? Maybe. I'm gonna have to refer back to her tutorial, but I also have a gel as well, and everything will be linked down below. All right, let's get started. So starting with my hair wet, it's washed. If you guys wanna know my routine for that, definitely check out that video maybe first. I'll have it up here and also have it in the end card. So your hair should be wet with no product. I just had to move you guys around since the sun was interfering. So she said, wet hair, no product, flip your hair over using your hands, getting any tangles out. Because I use the Curlsmith deep conditioner, I have no tangles at all whatsoever. I can't remember the last time I dealt with tangles. She then goes in with a leave-in conditioner, so I'm gonna go in and do that. I definitely agree with her that a spray is so much easier. This is definitely a bit harder. Again, just not used to flipping my head over. This is so silly. So I just double checked the tutorial, and you do have to use a curl cream. So this one is by Miss Jessie's. I just wanted to try something new. She doesn't use too much product, surprisingly. I feel like in the curly girl community, people use so much product, but then again, this is wavy hair. Wow, this smells like when you go into like a soap store. Then she goes in to the dunking. I have so much hair. Okay, how do I, okay, there we go. I believe my hair is longer than hers, so it's definitely a workout. She just squeezes all of the excess water. Now this is the part where you can actually see that my hair is wavy. Before, you probably couldn't even tell. And I think she said she does this about 3 times or so. So on to the second time. Now I understand why she's doing it a few times, because by dunking your head more than once, it's just diluting the product in the water. So then in parts of your hair where you didn't get the product, it'll be distributed a lot better. So that part actually makes a lot of sense. Going in one last time. She like shakes her head too. See the curls? Just trying to squeeze as much water as possible. Next step, she uses a microfiber towel, and again, just gets any of the excess water. Now this is when I'm starting to get tired of my head being flipped. I'm gonna move my bowl so I don't accidentally get my hair wet again. Oh my gosh, look at my waves. They're so cute. Wow, I can't remember the last time they looked this defined and no frizz. Okay. My knees are taking a quick break. My head is taking a quick break. Next, Sophie goes in with the foam. She said you can also use a gel. I'm using a foam because my hairstylist says that I would like a foam better because it's just more flexible. I'm not the biggest fan of gels because they're so crunchy. Ooh, this Curlsmith one, it smells so good. Okay, I feel like this is looking really good. The next part she does is the plopping technique, but she uses a t-shirt. I think I'm just gonna use my microfiber towel because it's so easy to just gently get all my hair together and pull it back versus a t-shirt. I find it to be a little more complicated. So I'm gonna go and do that method since I already have this. And again, being super gentle. Ooh, okay, oh my gosh. I feel so much better having my head up. I might be sounding very dramatic, but I am someone who doesn't do very well on rides, going to Disney World, doing things like that, because how easily I can get sick and I just get very lightheaded. Okay. Now she waited for 15 minutes, so I'm gonna do the same thing and I will see you guys in a little bit. I just had to take a quick snack break because doing that made me really hungry. So the sun is starting to slowly set down, so we got to hurry this up. So we're going back upside down, which I'm not very excited about. So she takes it out. Ta-da! She does one last scrunch. And then we're going in with the diffuser. So I'm going to add one more step and I'm going to use a heat protecting spray. High speed, medium heat, and we're going to cover diffuse. Pixie diffusing. So with the diffuser off, you take a section, bring it all the way up, turn it on, and then before you release it, that's when you turn it off. To do the rolling motion. She does like this on the side, going back in with the diffuser. Okay, I'm ready. Oh my gosh, my hair looks so good. Okay, and then she switches to the other side. my head. Going as gentle as possible. Whoa. Probably can't see it as well because my hair is so dark. Whew. Oh my goodness. I never get my hair as wavy closer to the roots. And look at it. Whew. Okay, and then she does a light diffusing at the roots, but I don't think I have to. My roots feel actually really dry. Whoa. I don't think I've ever seen my hair this wavy before. What? Now I can finally part my hair because just naturally it's kind of doing this, and this is not what I want. Ugh. Pooh. I don't know what I want. I'm gonna try to do a middle part. Okay. Not bad. The waves are not going in the direction I want them to go in. I think a deep part is going to do a lot better. Okay, so I believe this is the last step. She uses an oil to break up the cast. And just gently shake off. Shake out my roots. I feel like that's not where I have a problem because more of my waves are here. Let's see how the back looks. What do you guys think? This technique makes my waves look so pretty. Very minimal frizz. I only see just a little bit. And I've also noticed just more of a wave pattern up here above the ear, which is where I typically struggle with because I can get a good wave pattern down here below the ear, but it's always up here. That's always an issue. I think the main con is being upside down for the majority of this method. It was just a lot for my head, but then also for my back, and I'm quite young. So I can only imagine if you are older, but the results are really pretty. I'm gonna have to see if she has other techniques that I have to check out, but I'm going to continue doing this and just get better at it. But right now I'm feeling really good. So hopefully you guys will see me in my natural hair texture more often. If you enjoy my hair content, like this video, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys in another video. Bye.